Hello, welcome to Not for Exam, and I am your host Sujit, and we are going to discuss torque on a rigid body under pure rotation about a fixed axis. Let a rigid body is under pure rotation as shown in the figure. Since body is only free to rotate about the axis, therefore net torque of all the forces will be along the axis, and component of torque of a force along the axis is only required. Other component will be cancelled out by torque of other forces. Another important thing is that component of torque of a force along a fixed axis about any point on the axis is same. Let's take any 2 points O and O dash on the axis as shown in the figure. Torque about these points are r vector cross f vector and r dash vector cross f vector, and components along n cap are respectively r vector cross f vector dot n cap and r dash vector cross f vector dot n cap. Also, r dash vector is equal to r vector minus o dash vector, and o dash vector is along the axis of rotation, that is in the direction of the unit vector n cap. Now component of torque about o dash along the axis will be equal to r dash vector cross f vector dot n cap, that will be equal to r vector minus o dash vector cross f vector dot n cap, and that will be equal to r vector cross f vector dot n cap since other term will be 0. Therefore tau n dash will be equal to tau n, which verifies that component of torque about any point on the axis is same. Let's see the usefulness of this result. It is easier to choose point O such that r vector is perpendicular to n cap, and let denote it as r perpendicular vector. Also, in addition, if we resolve f vector along n cap, that is f parallel vector, and perpendicular to n cap, that is f perpendicular vector, then it is easier to find tau n. Therefore tau vector will be equal to r perpendicular vector cross f parallel vector plus f perpendicular vector, that will be equal to r perpendicular vector cross f parallel vector plus r perpendicular cross f perpendicular vector. Here r perpendicular cross f parallel vector will have no component along n cap, and r perpendicular cross f perpendicular will be along the axis of rotation, that is in the direction of n cap, which will be the component of torque along the axis. In complex cases when analyzing component is difficult, then component of torque along the axis is easily find as tau vector dot n cap. Thanks for watching Not for Exam, and we will see you next time.